My name is Seun, and I work as a control software engineer for Climate by Design. And in my role, I write codes for some of our units, for some of our HVAC units. I also do testing of those units, and sometimes I help customer service with troubleshooting problems in the field. I've been at CDIs for about 6 months. The moment I stepped up to my manager asking to step up my responsibility and dive in deep, my manager trusts me enough to be able to cope with the responsibility, and ever since I've been doing core aspect of the title or of my role. Usually I come in the morning, look into my emails just to see if the order of priority has changed, if there are pressing issues that needs to be taken care of immediately compared to the last thing I left the day before. And right after that, it could be going down to the shop floor to help troubleshoot problems in the test bay, or it could be preparing documentations for the next project, or it could also just be writing codes for projects that we have going on. So it varies a lot from paperwork to writing of codes and troubleshooting and testing. I would probably say it's being able to prioritize based on what is pressing either for the customer service or what is pressing in terms of company targets. So sometimes you could have about 6 pressing issues that you need to attend to. You have to be able to either communicate with the manager or just by your own self, knowing the priority of what needs to be out of the door in terms of shipping, and be able to prioritize what you need to attack first and what you need to attack last. I think that's the most challenging part of this job. I think one of the reasons why I chose CDI as the next step in my career was because even during my interview process, I could see the unisons in the culture, from the director of engineering who I spoke with, to the manager who I would be working under, and to the colleagues I'll be working with. They all interviewed me during my hiring process, and I could immediately tell everyone had the same mentality, the same ideology, and other than just having the same thing, it was a very good culture, talking about teamwork, talking about integrity, honesty, treating each other with respect. I could see it just during my interview phase, and since I've been at CDI, it's been exactly what I expected in terms of those core values that I saw across the board. Also, I have observed that the management are very focused on the employees, and the company as a whole is focused on their clients, on their customer. And for me, this is the best model, or this is the same model I would use if I were to have an organization. So I think it's a fantastic place for anyone to work. There is a liberty, there is a trust and a liberty. There is a trust that you will do what you promise to do or what you promise to deliver as an employee, and therefore there is a liberty for you to express yourself however you feel comfortable expressing yourself, and deliver exactly what you promise that you can deliver. And that is one portion that I love the most, that everyone treats each other with respect. Everyone, says hello to the other person. There is no animosity because of cultural difference, because of racial difference, or any form of difference that people may have between employees. Everyone comes in unison and everyone relates with respect. Your day would be challenging enough for you to enjoy it. You will find challenges that would get you off your bed that you want to come and solve, especially if you're a problem solver, then CDI is the place for you.